Cauliflower Foods has come out with some brand new sun-dried tomato cauliflower flatbreads. I love these flatbreads. They make for really quick and easy meals. Here's the nutritional panel. I mean, one flatbread is 60 calories. You got 5 carbs, 5 grams of protein. On the program that I coach, 2 of these would equal what we call a third of a lean and 2 greens. So we get to add some stuff to it. So I'd love to hear some ideas that you have of how to fix these. I like cooking up a whole bunch of these at once, baking them, and then I will put them in a baggie and freeze them so that when I want a quick meal, I can take them out, toss them in my air fryer, and boom, it heats them up and I can have a meal ready really quick. To bake them, I'm preheating the oven to 400, and then it says to bake for about 10 minutes, or you can bake a little bit longer if you'd like it to be crispier. They suggested putting them on parchment paper just to keep them from sticking. The first thing I'm gonna make is little pizzas. So I've got a 1/4 cup of the Kroger pizza sauce. It has about 4 grams of carbs in a 1/4 cup. Pizza seasoning. Then we've got 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. This is part skimmed, so low fat. I'm just going to cook until that gets nice and melted. Yum. Can't wait to try these. We're trying to keep it easy. Who wants to dirty more dishes, right? Anybody else use paper plates at home? So hey, here's one of our pizzas. Actually, both of these would be 1 serving and give you your full lean and green meal. But hey, let's start with 1. Well, the new cauliflower sun-dried tomato flatbreads, they get a thumbs up for me. They taste really good. It makes a great pizza crust. These would make a great replacement for bread. You could use them with a sandwich. I could say we're good with chicken salad or a burger. I may try like an avocado toast kind of option. See what else we can come up with. Well, anyway, let me know, and you can get them online. I'll include a link below, and if you use the promo code SAVE10, you save some money too. Enjoy. Happy eating.